Hey Capricorn, welcome to your card of the week. True to your nature, you're always thinking of ways to build wealth. With Pluto in Aquarius, your sector of earned income, it is the perfect time to put on your thinking cap. For some of us, it will mean rethinking old projects. For others, it will be creating new projects. Whichever it is, the universe is ready to bring you wealth. The sun this week, the timing on things may be a little bit off, in part due to not making enough time for your personal and emotional life. The moon this week, legacy wealth is built on things that are unseen, not seen. Things that we see are temporary, and the things that are unseen are eternal. We begin building legacy wealth with prayer and meditation. For your full reading, click the link or subscribe to the channel.